Repeating, a wind chill advisory remains in effect from 6 p.m. Central Standard Time until noon Central Standard Time Sunday for the following county: Benton, Arkansas, and the following counties: in Oklahoma, Adair, Delaware, Ottawa, and Sequoia. Wind chill advisory remains in effect from 6 p.m. this evening to noon Central Standard Time Sunday. Winter storm warning in effect from noon Sunday to noon Central Standard Time Monday. Wind chill watch remains in effect from Sunday afternoon through Tuesday morning. What? For the wind chill advisory, very cold wind chills expected. Wind chills as low as 20 below zero. For the winter storm warning, heavy snow expected. Total snow accumulations of 2 to 4 inches. For the wind chill watch, dangerously cold wind chills possible. Wind chills as low as 20 below zero. Where? Portions of northwest and west central Arkansas and southeast Oklahoma. When? For the wind chill advisory, from 6 p.m. this evening to noon Central Standard Time Sunday. For the winter storm warning, from noon Sunday to noon Central Standard Time Monday. For the wind chill watch, from Sunday afternoon through Tuesday morning. Impacts: travel could be very difficult. The hazardous conditions could impact the morning or evening commute. The cold wind chills could cause frostbite on exposed skin in as little as 30 minutes. Use caution while traveling outside. Wear appropriate clothing, a hat, and gloves. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. Monitor the latest forecasts for updates on this situation. In Arkansas, for the latest road conditions, call 1-800-245-1672 or go to idrivearkansas.com. In Oklahoma, for the latest road conditions, call 1-844-465-4997 or go to oakroads.org. Repeating, a winter storm warning has been issued from noon Central Standard Time Sunday until noon Central Standard Time Monday for the following counties: in Arkansas, Carroll, Crawford, Franklin, Madison, Sebastian and Washington, and LaFleur, Oklahoma. This is NOAA Weather Radio WNG 694 in Springdale, Arkansas. These broadcasts originate